teacher. Today I will say 2-minute talk about 3D printing. 3D printing is a process. 3D printing and additive manufacturing is a process of making three-dimensional solid objects of virtually any shapes from digital model. 3D printing is achieved using additive process where successive layers in materials are laid down in different shapes, and 3D printing is considered distinct the traditional machine techniques, which mostly rely on the removal on materials by method such as cutting and drilling. And 3D printing is limited types of industrial robot that is capable of carrying out on additive process under computer control. And while 3D printing technology has been around since 1980, that it was not until early for 2010s that is 3D printers